This is the test video with the SVP T700 full spectrum HD camera camcorder from Modtronic. They suggest you use a 200 lumen light with it so it will pick up in dark. This is just my regular light. I think it's 60 watt. This is a 126 LED white light, and as you can see, it makes all the difference in the world. From here to the corner is 19 feet. I'll turn off the regular light. That's what I get at 19 feet with the 126 white LED light. I don't know the lumen or anything of that nature, but that's what it is right there. Excuse me. Okay, here is what it looks like with the Phantom light. Let me find the switch. This is the Phantom light. That is at 19 feet, aimed at the corner. Not quite the 30, 35, 40 feet as advertised. This is at 1.5 feet. This is approximately 5 feet from the corner. This is a roll top desk. As you can see, the full spectrum camera with the Phantom light, that combo pretty much sucks in my not so humble opinion, having spent the money I've spent on it. Now here are 3 Sima, I don't know how many, let me see, 3 to 6, 12, 36 infrared lights per. That is what you get with one 36 Sima infrared light. As you can see, the difference is tremendous. Let's see what 2 does. That's 2. That's way too bright. That's 3. As you can see, I flip the switch, go back to the corner. It's 3, 2, where's the switch? 1 36 infrared Sima light. As you can see, Phantom doesn't really work with the Modtronics. The Modtronics do suggest you use a minimum of a 200 lumen light. This is, alright, it's on. This is, well, that's how close it is. So 1.5 feet, and that's what you can see, 1.5 feet. I'd say this is 6 feet. Not quite as advertised, in my opinion. So somebody is not telling the truth. That's with the white light. You see, you get really a better result with the infrared since it is full spectrum. So I hope this helps you.